Wise Guys Cooking is brought to you by Everson Spice, Restora Concrete Designs, Catalina Express, and Bonded Roofing. Now, ladies and gentlemen, here's Frankie.
How did you start in show business?
You know, I looked for the American dream. I opened up the first bagpipe discount store in Chicago. My wife, she was an angel. She worked at 3 jobs. You know where they got the pole and they dance a little bit? So, she helped me a lot.
Costelli's is celebrating its 30-year anniversary this year. And it's a milestone because one is when I opened 30 years ago, I sat 30 people. And through the years and the support of the Coachella Valley, I've been able to expand 3 times. And in that expansion now 3 times, I can seat over 200 people. When you walk into the place, you feel that you're at home. And we want you to feel being part of the family. And, you know, we have a piano player. We have, the bartenders are great. And I hear it feels like it old, being back in New York, being in Chicago. Costelli's wants to thank the Coachella Valley for their unwavering support for our 30-year anniversary of the hundreds of guests that came through here to celebrate that day.
Wise Guys Cooking is brought to you by Everson Spice.
Hey, Frankie. Frankie,
Hi,
my
Doc.
boy, good to
How
see
are
you.
you, Doc?
What's wrong? What's going on? How can I help you?
Well, you know, it's very strange. I feel like I'm Frank Sinatra. I walk like Frank. I talk like Frank. I sing like Frank. I've even got blue eyes like Frank.
That is strange.
Hey, Tony.
Tony, it's good to see you. What's that?
You know, I got a lot of problems. You know, I think I'm Rodney Dangerfield. I get no respect, you know?
Everybody loves somebody sometimes. Everybody falls in love somehow. You're nobody till somebody loves you. You're nobody till somebody cares. You may be king, you may possess the world and its gold. Gold won't bring you happiness when you're growing old.
It seems we stood and talked like this
That's my
before, and laughed
Ha!
before,
Ha!
and loved before, but who knows where or when? We'll be right back.
Let's introduce our first cook, Frankie Cherry Nose Monteforti.
You hung out with wise guys?
Excuse me, you have a problem with that?
No.
Tonight I have my special gift. It's going to be broken leg of lamb. Okay?
Okay. Hey, I want you to meet an old friend of mine. Let's welcome Denny Jelly Legs Pizzini. You know, you're a great big hit with our audience. Why don't you show them how you got your name, Jelly Legs?
I'd be glad.
Walking through a party in the county jail.
In the mood for some real Italian today? Then stop by either of our locations in Palm Springs or Palm Desert. Whether you want a handcrafted sandwich from our deli counter or a garden-fresh salad for lunch, the Real Italian Deli is a real find. Choose from our wide variety of hot meals such as lasagna bolognese, eggplant parmesan, and many others you can eat in or take home. We stock a wide variety of cheeses, sauces, pastas, and desserts so decadent you'll think you need a passport to buy them. So stop by today for lunch or let us send you home with dinner for tonight.
Let's have a big warm welcome for Tony, the Godfather DiGiolando.
For over 26 years, La Donna Cucina Italiana has offered the very finest old-world Italian favorites. Come soak in our sophisticated atmosphere while dining on delicious, authentic favorites. In fact, we've been named the best Italian restaurant in Palm Desert for 3 years running. From delicious antipasti through your entree to delectable desserts, we have something for every taste. Gluten-free dishes are available, and we offer a full bar, patio dining, takeout options, and reservations.
Welcome to Wise Guys Cooking. My name is Rebecca Romano. This is my Uncle Frank.
Hello.
Folks, you can't miss it. We're talking about Wise Guys Cooking. Remember, you can catch all of today's guests on Wise Guys Cooking right here on NBC Palm Springs every Sunday at 11:30. A big thanks to Rocco and the rest of the gang for appearing on today's show, and a big thanks to you. Make sure you check them out. And guess what? That wraps up the edition of Desert Living. Have a great day. We will see you soon.